welcome to Mini Toyland! Hi Minis, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Aubrey, and don't forget to subscribe part of my mini squad. Guys, today I have the coolest thing ever. Little blizzards! This is so cute. They're blizzards from DQ. Where we live, there's DQ, and they always get cotton candy, because that's the best one ever. And they're called little blizzards. Inside are cute little dolls. And I want to give a huge thank you to Sunny Days for sending me these cute little blizzard friends. And inside are cute little dolls that are themed after little blizzards. So I can't wait. Let's open this. I almost know all the names. So let's start from here. And here are all the ones you can collect. There's so many. I want to collect them all. Okay, let's get our tape. Okay, time to open this. I love it how it has it's popped off, but it's super adorable. Ooh, it has some flying bags in here. So let's open this one first. See which one we get. I can't wait. Here's a cute little scarf. I can't wait to see our doll. It'd probably be like mint theme. Okay. There's cute little hair right here. Little pigtails. It's so adorable. Time to see our cute little doll. I can't wait. Oh, it's a little girl. And she is after a little s'more little one. These are super adorable. Here's the back of their head, and these are where you can put her little
ponytails.
So let's put them in. She is so adorable. And she has little ponytails. Isn't it so cute? And let's put on her little scarf.
Yeah, and let's check what her name is.
Yeah, she's Sarah O. S'mores.
Oh, she is.
Here she is with her cute little ponytails. Woo, woo. And I love this little flavor. It's minty. And look at all those chocolate chippies. And we're going to be putting our dolls right here, and they are able to stand. Is that so cool? So now let's open this one. It is super adorable. And I think this one's the Reese's Pieces cup one. From GQ.
Yummy.
I love that one too. Let's open this one. I love it how there's like a little spoon. Ooh, I wonder who this one is. So let's get my scissors that are sneaky. See what accessory you got. Ooh, here's the hair. Ooh, it's really cute. I think I know.
The little curly hair.
It's like a little curly. That's so adorable. I wonder what this one is right here. I think I know who we're getting. Here's her cute little outfit. Isn't it so adorable? It's a little dress. Time to see our doll, and I think I know who we're getting. She's so adorable. I think, is it a he or she? But all I know is that they're super adorable. So
let's find out what the name is.
Let's add. I'm gonna add the hair while you're doing that.
Oh, Nilla.
Nilla? That's a cute name.
Yeah, maybe it's short for vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla.
Oh, it's this one right here.
Oh,
how cute.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put on its outfit, and then she is gonna be all ready to go. Isn't she adorable? She is so cute. So let's put her next to her little friend. Ta-da! So adorable.
Which one are you gonna get next?
This one. I haven't tried this flavor, but
what flavor do you think it is?
Probably like a lemon or something like.
No, maybe banana.
Oh yeah, banana.
Banana, maybe.
Banana with little chocolates.
Oh, maybe Butterfinger.
Oh yeah, Butterfinger. I forgot about that one. You know all the flavors. Oh, this one is cracked open. So let's see what this is. And we're gonna get another girl. We have 3 girls so far. I really want to see how the boys look like, but this is the cutest dress. It looks like a cheerleading dress. Isn't it so adorable? Okay, let's see who we got. We got Boo Blueberry. Isn't that such a cute name?
How cute, and she doesn't need any hair.
I know, isn't that so adorable? So you have a little swirl right there.
What's her name again, Aubrey?
Blueberry. Isn't that a cute name? It's like boo, but it's Blueberry. Because it kind of rhymes. Blueberry. And it's actually pretty cute. I really like it. It's so adorable. Let's put it right here.
Okay, which one is next?
This one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do the swirly swirl. Come on, everybody. Let's do the swirly swirl. Make a little cut here. This one's Oreo. I used to get this one but then I figure out cotton candy. Yummy. Crack it open. So let's open this one. Ooh, look it, we have a little shirt. Isn't that so adorable? I wonder what this one is. It's so adorable. My finger could wear it.
Maybe it's a boy.
Oh yeah, first boy. Oh.
Oh, if it has hair, maybe. Oh, maybe the boys have hair too. I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, I think I know who we're getting. She's super adorable. So here it is. It's super adorable because right here has like two little splits right here, and then you can make them as ponytails.
Oh.
So they have these where you can take them out and then put them on different hair and their outfits. You can also switch them. Okay, our little baggie, and then there's two more. And then we're gonna go see this one. Oh, we got her! She reminds me of someone because that's super cute one. So let's see what her name is. Her name is Coco. Is that so adorable? So let's put this on her. We can make her a high ponytail, or if we want to squish it and make it a low ponytail.
That's so cute.
Okay, time to put on her little dress. I wonder how they look like with pants on.
Oh, we're gonna have to get a boy.
Here she is all dressed up. Isn't she so adorable? So far we're getting girls. Oop. Let's make her stand up.
Ah!
Blueberry. We have to stand up. I think they want to lay down. Just for a little. Because they've been in this for a long, long time. Okay. And guys, comment down below if you think we're going to get a boy one of these. Because we only have one more left. Ooh, I kind of opened the doll first, but I want it to be a surprise. Ooh, he's a white one. I wonder what this one is. Which one is this one going to be? Another flying back right here. Okay. Oh, here's her cute little dress. It's so adorable. Do you think we're going to get all girls or one boy? Comment down below. Time to see which one we got. I have no single idea which one we're getting. Oh, this was like the one we just opened, but in that one. Let's see if we can find her. Oh yeah, her name is
Little Peanut?
Oh, it's cute. I really like her hair. It's like so much colors, and then we can just...
I think she's my favorite so far.
I'm not sure. You might like this one in here.
Oh, we'll see.
And then you might change your mind. Okay, so here she is all dressed up. I love how they just come with these cute little shoes.
Just zoom into her little face and sprinkles. Ooh. Okay, last one.
Ooh, I hope we get a boy or someone.
Let's see.
I can't wait to see who we got. Cool if we got one boy and all these girls. Okay. I can't open the doll first, but then it won't be a surprise. Let's see. Wow, this is a long little coat. It's a coat. Is that so adorable?
Oh, maybe you get a boy.
Oh yeah, maybe because
Maybe.
It's a coat. See, is there like any more fun bags? I think that's all it came with. Guys, we got a boy!
Is it?
Yeah! Since it has like the little face.
Oh, it's little cherry. I think it's a girl.
We don't know if it's a boy or girl, but it's super cute and it had bubbles.
I think it's a girl.
Yeah.
But it might be a boy, I don't
You
know.
never know. Okay, so let's put on the jacket.
And the name's super cute, little cherry.
Yeah. Little cherry.
With the little
in
cherry on
house.
top.
Here's little cherry all dressed up, and here are all the ones we got. Lots of them have hair. Okay, minis, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of my mini squad. Bye, minis!